I think this is the biggest win we have this conference. This is the first time we beat Alaska, which is, I think, the strongest team in the PBA. And you know, I think Gabe hit a big shot today, so people say he's soft, but today I think he was like more of a, he was one who brought us in this win. Saul carried us in the fourth quarter. The rookies are just doing their jobs, and now we're confident that we feel that we can play hard. We learned a lot in this game, especially on defense. It's the first time we ano ba yung score kanina? Wala yung possession. This is the lowest output I think we did on defensively, no? So it's just pure hard work. I think whoever works hard gets the credit today. The last two games we played soft. I thought we could have won both of those games against Santa Lucia and Air 21, but today we stepped up against a very strong team. Hopefully we can bring this against Coke in our next few games.
About JR, ano makain mo?
Well, ever since that I was with JR even in the PBL, I think he's a wingman trapped in a big man's body. He has that soft touch from the outside. Today I think it was 5 out of 5 sa 3 points. And, you know, given that he's a young guy who just really stepped up today, I think sana makita din ng RPT yan, he's a big guy who can shoot. A wing, he can play the wing future. Kasi ang titingnan namin kay JR is we want to transform him to a wingman in the future if we can get a big man. Kasi nahihirap siya dahil he's the only big man we have with Big Mac and Daya. So, hopefully, he might be a wingman soon. Next year, wing na laro nun, hindi na big.
Pang-world trapper.
Well, we took that advantage because Toss was always in the lane. So, I didn't even tell Jer to take the 3-point shot today, but he was hitting it, so hindi ko siya mapapagalitan. 5 out of 5. But technically, it was all defense today for us. We played hard defense today. Saan ba best player, JR?